Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HCJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having another conversation with Mark. Mark, would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Mark Morris. I'm based in Zurich. I've been here for nearly 30 years, and I've exclusively devoted myself to automatic exchange of information since the year 2000. And I've been consultant to the EU Commission, the EU Parliament, the OECD regarding automatic exchange, as well as consulting for Tax Justice Network and various other parties. And I would say today, after 25 years, I'm the only person in the entire world that is promoting structures in 4 or 5 different territories that nobody seems to touch. But we'll go through those territories today.
Fantastic. And well, let's talk about what I guess would be one of your areas of specialty and unique interest, the FGR and the Common Reporting Standard and the CRS. How does the CRS see FGRs?
The custodian institution, or the one holding the assets, doesn't report because it's holding assets for the fund, and the fund is a financial institution. So it says we don't report. Now it's up to the fund. The fund, CRS says, if you're a fund, doesn't matter what your format is. If you make out that you're a fund, or then you are an investment entity, and then you've got a fund manager. So it's investment entities. You are based on where the fund is incorporated. So the fund here is we were incorporated in, well, the fund manager incorporates it. So the fund was incorporated where the fund manager was, and we were incorporated in Montenegro, which was a non-participating. But as a non-participating investment entity, then the bank had to look through us and report on the participants who own more than 25%. And guess what? Nobody owned more than 25%. And in that case, they reported on the manager. Exactly. It's a open-ended fund. Then it's tax transparent. But then, listen to this. If you're open-ended, then because it's taxable, then that is located in the Netherlands. So it changes from, if it's closed-end, then it's where the fund manager is located. If it's open-ended, it means that it's taxable entity, which means that it's tax resident in Holland, and therefore then it should be reported in Holland.
Okay.
Mark, if someone wanted to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do so?
As I travel a lot, the best way to get hold of me is via my website, co-ownershiptrust.com. And then you can email me or try get hold of me by phone, but that depends on the country that I'm in. If they've got cell phone coverage, I go to some really remote places in the world, Falkland Islands, St. Helena, etc. So the best is via my website.